everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us, and I hope you will subscribe and continue to see what content that I have. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And this one is the June Allure Beauty Box. It's a beauty subscription. In case you don't know, that's $15 a month. There is a discounted rate if you purchase a year subscription. And let's just dive into this. There's the little booklet that tells about the products, even some background stories from the editors and their experience with the products. Tells you the price and where you can buy it, and there's also some promo codes in here. Okay, the first item, grab this giant product. This is the Pur Lisse Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies, and energizes for all skin types. I can open this up. I absolutely love Pur Lisse's products. I do have another of their watermelon products. I think it's the Balm one that I have. So I'm very anxious to try this. I have not tried this product out before. Okay, the next one is the Ginza. This is a Super 8 lip oil. I've tried this. I tried this on when I first received this box, and I really enjoy this lip oil. I did not have a lip oil already, so this is super nice. It's not sticky. It actually is really moisturizing. So I am excited. I'll also put the prices when I edit this video and tell you how much the products are. This is from Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. I love those designs. This is in all lined up. Those are really pretty. And then we have the Shangri Spa Care System Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. This is just, I believe, one set. And improves firmness, smooth fine lines, reduce puffiness, and diminish dark circles, and brighter, more youthful looking eyes. Anxious to try that out. And then we have Belief. This is the True Cream Aqua Balm Aloe Vera. This is 10 mLs. It's also a hydrating product. And then we have the last product is the Star Skin 100% Camellia, I'm not sure how I pronounce that, Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. It has the brightening, the oil here, and then the mask. Okay, so this is a full-size product. So in this box you get, this is one full-size product. This is a sample or deluxe size. I believe this actually comes in a container that has, I believe it was 60 eye mask. And then this one is also a deluxe size. I think it was 50 mLs, I think is the full size. And then this one is a full-size product, this lip oil from Ginza. And then this is a full-size product, gel strips. And then, of course, this is a full-size product. I appreciate you watching so much. And like I said, I will include the prices when I edit this video so you can see how much everything is. But I just love Allure. You can try different things, and they usually have, you know, it's at least 1 or 2 samples, or deluxe size, and then they'll have full size products as well. So I hope you're enjoying your evening, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.